So the eyebrow pencil I will be using today is by e.l.f. and it is their new color, and if I'm not mistaken it is in dark brown. And I'm just using the spoolie to brush up my brows just to make sure they're all going into the same direction. Okay, so this is a trick I have learned at the beginning. When I use this pencil, I'm just going to connect my eyebrows together just so I can make sure my eyebrows start together and one is not up and one is not down. And then I'm going to just go in with this pencil and I'm going to just follow my natural eyebrow arch and just trace my brows. Once I've traced my eyebrows, I'm gonna just go in and fill in my eyebrow, and I'm just using like hair-like strokes. I'm just kind of like, I'm not coloring like I'm coloring in the coloring book. I'm just making like light lines until the whole eyebrow is filled in to my liking. So now I'm just erasing that line. I'm going to keep a little piece of the line next to my other eyebrow just so I'll know where to start that brow out at. Okay dolls, I'm not going to be doing a whole lot of talking because as you can see from this video, you can definitely see what I'm doing by just watching the video. But I'll be back later. Just keep watching and enjoy, and let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. You know the saying, slow and steady wins the race. Remember that when doing this part, because you just want to take your time and don't rush it. Because if you try to go really fast and just try to hurry up and to clean up these brows, you will definitely come out with some brows that aren't as precise as they can be. So just make sure you take your time on this part. So for my other brow, I'll be using a pomade instead of a pencil. And the pomade that I will be using is by the same brand, e.l.f. It is e.l.f. pomade in the color Espresso. And instead of using a pencil, I'll be going in with the flat angled eyebrow brush. And I'm just going to be doing the same thing that I would be doing if it was a pencil. I'm just going to follow my natural eyebrow arch. And then I'm just going to go in and I'm going to fill my brow in. So as you can see right here, I struggle just like everybody else. So my brows right now, they don't look like sisters, they don't look like twins, they definitely look like distant cousins. So I still had to go back in to, you know, fix the brows to my liking. And sometimes you will have to do that. Sometimes the brows, one will come out will be perfect, and then the other one may come out and it may just look like, what the hell? And then sometimes you'll look at them and you'll be like, okay, I like the right brow and I like the left brow, but they just don't look alike. So you'll have to go in and you will have to pretty much customize your brows so they'll match up perfectly or semi-perfect. Going in with my e.l.f. eyebrow gel just to make sure all my hairs are laying down flat. This is pretty much the end of the video, and I hope you guys like it. Make sure you comment, make sure you like, make sure you let me know below what else you guys want to see. Love you guys. Are you riding?